Ethical hacking in 2026 has changed rapidly with the rise of AI-assisted automation, cloud security testing, and large-scale reconnaissance workflows. This video focuses strictly on ethical hacking awareness and authorized cybersecurity testing. All tools discussed must only be used legally and responsibly. Caido is a modern lightweight web application testing platform designed for APIs, WebSockets, and JavaScript-heavy applications. Unlike many older testing suites, Caido focuses heavily on speed, responsiveness, and smoother workflows during reconnaissance and testing operations. Bug bounty hunters and security researchers prefer it because modern applications are becoming increasingly dynamic, requiring tools capable of handling real-time communication efficiently. Caido reflects how web application testing is evolving alongside modern internet technologies. Katana is an advanced crawling framework from Project Discovery designed for modern reconnaissance operations. Traditional crawlers often miss hidden endpoints, API routes, JavaScript-generated paths, and authentication flows inside modern applications. Katana helps map hidden attack surfaces, collect parameters, and process JavaScript-heavy environments more effectively. This becomes critical during bug bounty hunting, where overlooked endpoints can sometimes hide major vulnerabilities. Nuclei became one of the most widely used automation frameworks in vulnerability assessment because of its template-based scanning system. Researchers can automate thousands of targeted security checks instead of manually testing every target individually. The framework detects exposed services, outdated technologies, misconfigurations, and known vulnerabilities using community-driven templates that update rapidly as new threats appear. Nuclei demonstrates how automation became a major part of modern cybersecurity workflows in 2026. Mythic is a modern command and control framework designed for advanced red team operations. Instead of focusing only on exploitation, Mythic emphasizes stealth, persistence, operational security, and realistic adversary simulation inside enterprise environments. Organizations use frameworks like Mythic to evaluate their detection systems, monitoring capabilities, and incident response processes against sophisticated attacker behavior. It reflects how modern red teaming evolved into long-term operational security testing rather than simple exploitation exercises. OpenBB is an intelligence and research platform often used creatively for OSINT workflows and infrastructure analysis. Public information gathering became one of the most important parts of modern reconnaissance because organizations expose massive amounts of information online without realizing it. Researchers use OpenBB for infrastructure mapping, digital footprint analysis, and correlating public intelligence efficiently. Even small details collected from public sources can contribute to much larger reconnaissance operations. PentestGPT represents the growing integration of AI into cybersecurity operations. Instead of replacing ethical hackers, the framework acts as a productivity assistant that helps researchers analyze vulnerabilities, organize workflows, brainstorm payload ideas, and evaluate attack paths more efficiently. AI-assisted workflows became increasingly important because modern assessments generate overwhelming amounts of information that are difficult to process manually. However, ethical hacking still requires human oversight, validation, and real-world judgment that automation alone cannot fully replace. PACU is a cloud-focused exploitation and assessment framework designed primarily for AWS environments. As organizations continue migrating infrastructure into the cloud, cloud-focused penetration testing became one of the fastest-growing areas in cybersecurity. PACU helps identify exposed credentials, insecure IAM permissions, cloud misconfigurations, and risky storage systems commonly found in cloud environments. The framework highlights why cloud security skills became essential for modern ethical hackers in 2026. HTTPX is a high-speed web probing and technology identification toolkit used during reconnaissance operations. Modern environments often contain thousands of subdomains, APIs, and web services, making manual processing extremely inefficient. HTTPX helps automate asset discovery by identifying active services, detecting technologies, collecting metadata, and highlighting server misconfigurations quickly at scale. The tool demonstrates how automated reconnaissance became a core part of modern offensive security workflows. Sliver is an advanced adversary emulation framework designed for modern red team operations. It supports encrypted communication, stealth-focused workflows, and cross-platform payload deployment for realistic attacker simulation. Modern endpoint detection systems forced offensive security tools to become far more stealth-oriented over the past few years. Sliver focuses heavily on operational security and realistic adversary behavior to help organizations evaluate defensive visibility against sophisticated threats. ReconFTW is a fully automated reconnaissance framework that combines subdomain enumeration, endpoint discovery, URL collection, and vulnerability scanning into one workflow system. One of its biggest advantages is reducing repetitive manual reconnaissance work. Researchers can automate large portions of data gathering and spend more time analyzing vulnerabilities instead of collecting information manually. ReconFTW represents the growing automation-first approach inside modern ethical hacking and bug bounty operations. AI, automation, cloud security, and reconnaissance frameworks are rapidly transforming ethical hacking in 2026. But all cybersecurity tools must only be used responsibly, ethically, and in authorized environments. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more advanced cybersecurity and ethical hacking awareness content.